The adoption of electric appliances like heat pumps and heat pump water heaters is helping to launch a new era of clean energy for homes and buildings, and the contractor workforce installing these new appliances is leading the charge.
I'm Gil Madrano, serving Northern California, heating and air conditioning, specializing in inverter-driven heat pumps. We're all familiar with an air conditioner and the idea that it cools our home. The refrigeration is literally absorbing that heat and carrying it from inside of our home to the outside. A heat pump can look exactly like an air conditioner. There's a couple of differences. Specifically, there's a reversing valve. When you pump the refrigeration in one direction, it provides cooling. When you pump it in the opposite direction, it provides heating.
Trained contractors across the state already have the skills and experience to help switch to these energy-efficient appliances, with more joining the workforce every day.
The greatest efficiency you're ever going to achieve on a gas furnace is 98%. These heat pumps are often anywhere from 250% to over 300%. If you're really trying to get the best efficiency and maintain that level of comfort, the inverter-driven heat pump is the no-brainer.
The California Electric Homes program is helping builders make this transition to all-electric homes, and it's already making an impact.
The California Electric Homes program is focused on helping builders get experience and understanding of how to build all-electric. The contractor is an incredibly important piece to making this all work. We need knowledgeable contractors who can help not only install equipment and do it well so that that equipment performs well, but also educate the homeowner and the potential home buyer about the benefits of building all-electric.
For more information about the California Electric Homes program, please visit caelectrichomes.com.